Module 1. Describe the difference between macroscopic and microscopic. Give an example of each. Macro is defined as large. Micro is small. In chemistry, macroscopic is something large enough that it's visible to the eye. Microscopic is so small that it is not visible to the eye. Is not. An example of macroscopic would be if we combine Na and Cl. Na is sodium, Cl is chlorine. When we combine these two, what is visible to the eye is the formation of the product NaCl, which is table salt. This is an insoluble product, meaning it forms a precipitate, and that is visible to the eye, and that is what we would call macroscopic. What we would consider microscopic is the fact that the Na is donating electrons to the Cl. So, in its natural state, sodium has 11 electrons. Let's put an equal sign there. 11 electrons and 11 protons. And we're just going to put a P for short. So there's 11 negative charges, there's 11 positive charges. As a result, it's a neutral atom and its charge is 0. We do not need to put it when we're writing it out, but just for clarity, we're going to write it now. After the Na donated an electron to the chlorine, it develops a positive charge, and the reason is because now it has 10 electrons and it still has 11 protons. If it would not have 11 protons, it would not be a sodium. And since we have 11 positive charges and 10 negative charges, we are left with a net positive charge. Chlorine starts off with 17 electrons and 17 protons, so its net charge is 0. It's not necessary to put it, just for clarity, we will put it now. And after it receives the electron, now it has a negative charge. And that's because it has now 18 electrons and 17 protons. So since it has one more electron than proton, it has a negative charge. This is an example of microscopic. This we do not see.